everyone, good morning. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook hot and sour salmon fish soup. Gonna be so good. This is herb, this is spring onion and cilantro, this is vegetable and tomato, and that's the salmon fish. The most important thing, bamboo shoot pickle right here. Okay, let's go start it, guys. First I'm gonna use spring water. Oh my god, I hear somebody clean up outside. Okay, let's go put the water in here for a certain amount of, just like that. It's enough. Okay, let's get started. Put the herb on here, the water, just to make enough soup to cover everything. Lemongrass go first. Lemongrass, over the herb. Ginger. Galanga and hot pepper. Okay, let me cook first. Just like that. It's palm sugar. Can't go no wrong with palm sugar because it's natural. Alright, put one. Just wait for the taste. Okay, let's see sauce. With 1 spoon MSG, little bit. Alright, let me cook for a minute. And this mushroom flavor, 1 spoon, kind of 1 spoon. Okay, bamboo pickle going down for the taste. Sour. Gonna be good soup, guys. Vegetable and herb. Look at this hot and sour salmon fish soup with vegetable. All the herb here, let them cook, and all the goodness coming out. Everything gonna taste so good and medicine at the same time. When I'm cooking food like a medicine. It's not cooking food like junk food, anything like that. This is medicine food. Okay everyone, I just want to share with you, this is my own pineapple vinegar. I make my own pineapple vinegar. It's so good, smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the soup right here. So I'm gonna put like 1 cup right here. Oh, it's so good. You know, healthy cooking food, just like a medicine. Vinegar, pineapple. Basically one shot. Alright, you see the soup boiling right now? I'm gonna go ahead and put salmon fish in here. Going down. Oh yes, smell good already. Oh yes. And I'm gonna go ahead and put fish sauce. Any kind of fish sauce you want to use, okay? I use the squid Thai fish sauce. And put about 1 spoon, 2 spoons. You know, put all of this until you enough taste for you. This is how I cook until enough taste. Okay, fish sauce going down. Okay, the vegetable going down. All the vegetable, can't go no wrong with vegetable. Going down and cook. Smells so good already. Smell the herb and spice. Okay. Okay, okra going down. All the good vegetable. Beautiful. Oh yes, this is a medicine food. Alright guys, this is a big deal. Tomato going down. Hot and sour soup. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is gonna be yum. You know, when you don't want to eat meat, this is why you have to eat vegetable. Vegetable and salmon fish for flavor. I don't really want to eat meat. It's up to you. You guys want to cook with pork, chicken, bone, anything. But for me, I'm gonna cook the way it's like that because I don't want to eat any kind of meat. So just make the bone fish flavor. That's what I'm doing. Looking good and tastes good. And you know, you can eat with noodle too. This soup right here, you can boil the noodle and eat with, and you can eat with rice. See, it tastes so good right here. You don't have a lot of meat. All you need to do is just bone flavor. That's what I like. It's up to you guys, okay? I just learned to cook this way. Salmon feed bone flavor, and then cook for 5 minutes, and we'll be done. Everything going there needs a little bit more fish sauce for the taste. Just sparkle. That's it, right there. Okay, the soup boiling right now. Now the last ingredients gonna be cilantro going down. Second, spring onion. All of it. Eat food like a medicine, like I say, cooking food like medicine. Benefit everything when you're cooking. Now, oh yes, look at that. See that? Ready to eat. Come on, let's go. Ready to eat. Turn it off. It's done. Ready to eat. Here comes steamed rice. Eat with that. Oh my god. Or noodle, it doesn't matter. So today I'm gonna eat with steamed rice. Okay guys, time to eat. Just get a little bit rice in here. Oh yes, it's yum. That's it. Okay, time to get some soup. Tomato, some vegetable. I love vegetable. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is good food. I don't cook all the time when I cook. Have to be big pots, guys. I don't fit it in the freezer. I can eat later. There you go. Look at this. Come on, who want to join me? Get started to eat good food, lunch and dinner, all everything together in one. That's all I eat a day, guys. I don't eat a lot. Come on, guys. Come on, eat. Oh, yum. สบายทุกคนยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ช่องซีซูคุกกิ้งมากินข้าวร่วมกันพี่น้องแกงส้มปลาใส่ทุกสิ่งอย่างแซ่บที่สุดเลยนะทุกคนสบายดีสบายทุกคนทั่วโลกมากินน้ำกันเด้อ Come on guys, who wanna join me? Come on in. Get the soup, healthy, good, medicine food. So delicious. Oh my god, so good. So good, healthy. Hot, sour, spicy, good taste, everything on there. Tomato, mackerel. Delicious. So good. หนักเจี๊ยบเลยกินในของน้ำได้ดีมะเขือเอาล่ะทุกคนมีขอกินข้าวก่อนเด้อขอบคุณทุกคนที่มาติดตามชมเวลาเห็ดกินไปดื่มไปเที่ยวว่าอะไรเนี่ยทุกสิ่งอย่างนอกจากอยู่เพื่อกินทุกคนชีวิตความมีเหนียวมีอย่างดอกไม่ได้สิสนุกทุกสบายสิยิน สำลังเห็ดเอาเด้อตามเป็นไหวซางหวดขอบคุณทุกคนที่ติดตามพบกันใหม่ในคลิปข้างหน้าเราสิไปไซกันแล้วแต่เนาะจะส่วนพี่น้องไปหลินไปเที่ยวหลายๆบ่อนเห็นหลายๆบ่อนที่ว่าเปิดหูเปิดตาอาหารไปเด็กไปเที่ยวมวนซื้อหมูฟูเห็ดกินสุดแซ่บกินง่ายๆอยู่ง่ายๆทุกคนสบายดีอย่างง่ายๆที่สุดเลยที่ว่าซื้อตรงไหนก็มีเดี๋ยวทุกคนติดตาม Thank you for watching guys and see you next video bye bye